Again, as we begin, allow your body to go into a comfortable position. And I want you to take 3 deep breaths. And as you let the breaths out, just imagine that you're letting go of any tension or distress in your body. And then when you're ready, gently close your eyes or focus on a fixed spot in front of you. And now I would like you to picture yourself standing on a bridge over a railway line. I want you to look down as a train passes by. And imagine that each carriage contains one of your thoughts. And in this way, you're watching your thought train go by. Each time a thought enters your mind, just catch it and place it on one of the carriages. See it as a thought and watch it as it keeps moving away. Continue to do this with each thought that you become aware of. Place it in the train as you stay on the bridge, watching it go by. Keep yourself standing on the bridge, looking down. If your train starts to race off, gently slow it down. Sometimes you'll notice that the same thought will return, and that's okay. Just notice it and gently put it in a carriage and watch as it moves away. And if it returns, do the same again, just watching from your bridge. As those thoughts come in your head, just put them in each carriage and watch the carriage take them away. Remember, we're not judging or analysing, we're just noticing, putting them in the carriage and watching them go away. Just noticing. When you're ready, slowly bring your attention back into the room, noticing the feel of the chair and the sounds around you. And in your own time, slowly begin to open your eyes.